making Taco Tuesday. JC has seasoned these tacos with what?
Cajun seasoning.
Cajun. Have you seasoned these chickens? Is this bone in thighs?
These are thighs, so I'll be broken down, yep.
Okay. And then we have the guacamole. Which we used about 4 avocados, 1 tomato cut into quarters, 1 onion cut into 8, and put it in our Ninja, and we blend the avocado first, and then we add the tomato and onion and pulse it. And I believe he also added some of this olive oil, which has some spice in it, and also 1/2 lime.
2 limes, or no, 1 lime.
1 lime, pardon me.
1 full lime.
And now I'm going to pulse again. Pulse again. And this is done?
Yeah, should be.
Let me show you. We also add in guacamole flavoring. Not sure where it went. But it's like a taco seasoning kit. And then we're heating up some tortillas. And that is your Taco Tuesdays.